Homemade beef shawarma.
Here's a fun hack on how to make beef shawarma at home on a spit and then make a pretty cool wrap out of it.
Put your meat in a bowl. I'm using sirloin.
Take all your seasonings, salt, oil, lemon juice, garlic, mix it all up, let it marinate for an hour, overnight, or until you lose patience.
Grab a potato and cut off the bottom so it lays flat. Get some wooden skewers. You want to measure your oven and cut the skewers to size. Take your skewers, push them into the potato. Now take your meat and just slide it on. You got a big meat pile. From here, you can shape it up a little bit if you want. Just trim off the little ends, or just leave it. Now into a 400 oven.
After about an hour and a half in the oven, there you have it. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, perfect shawarma. And if you want to cook it up some more to get it crispy, pop it back in. For the wrap, we're doing lavash, lettuce, our beautiful shawarma, cucumbers, tomatoes, turshi,
Sheepnik feta.
gotta load that on, and a bunch of tahini sauce. We'll add a little more. Roll that all up, and there you have it. Cut it in half.
That looks so good. Oh, yeah! Oh man, that's delicious. And it's pretty easy too. The spices of the shawarma, full recipe in the caption. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Want some?